When it comes to transitioning from school to the workforce, nothing beats that hands-on experience.
That's absolutely right, and that's why Dahmer of Kansas City teamed up with 2 local schools to give kids interested in careers in mechanics the opportunity to do just that.
Yeah, it really is such a cool program, and I recently had the chance to get an inside look at it. Take a peek. There's nothing more valuable than hands-on experience, definitely in this industry on TV, but in a lot of other industries as well, which is why we're here at Dahmer, where they are doing a community service program where they are partnering with a high school and rebuilding a used car. The kids are doing this so they can raffle it off and the proceeds can go right back to these kids. Joining me now is Brian Franz. He is going to tell us some about it. Tell us why you're doing this.
You know, we were trying to do some outside activities with the kids, and they didn't have enough money for the school bus. And I thought, how can we help these kids do this? And then I thought, how can we make it a win-win? So we're trying to get these juniors coming in, so when they're young, they can do this hands-on experience, and then when they go back their senior year, everything just clicks a little bit more because they've already put their hands on it and stuff like that. And so by doing this, the proceeds are going to go so they can spend the money however they need to as the school goes on.
And these kids are rebuilding this car completely.
We've got young technicians that were just a year or two out that were in the same programs that they're in, teaching these kids so that they can see that in a year or two they can be doing the same type of stuff. And so it's incredible to us to watch the eyes wide open going, wow, we've touched the car more in the weekends that we've been here than all school year. And that's fun.
How valuable is to get these kids in here doing it, not just reading from a book, but actually doing it themselves?
You know, the cool part is just watch them do something simple like putting on a tire. And you've watched the video, you've read the book, but until you actually do it, it's crazy. And all day long the other day, that one guy kept going righty tighty lefty loosey because they've got the book knowledge, but yet until you're actually physically doing it, and not everyone can afford college. And so by getting them in here, getting them to do the trade early, it makes it so much more valuable for what they can do for their careers later on in life.
Tell us some about the raffle, where you can buy tickets, and how that money is going to go back to these kids.
So hopefully in 2 weeks we're going to have this all together, all done, and we're going to take the cars to the school. And the intent is to try to let the high school kids buy the raffle tickets as much as possible, but we're going to open it up to whoever, because each school is going to get 250 raffle tickets. They're going to sell them for 25 bucks a piece, and then they're going to do the drawing hopefully at the 1st of May, and we'll pick the winner, and somebody will get a car.
Are you guys planning to do more programs like this? This has been such a success, I gotta imagine you are.
Well, this has gone so well. I've already got another cruise lined up and ready to go. So hopefully this summer we'll do the same thing. So in spring, when school starts, we're going to do another raffle and give the kids even more money for the programs.
What have you gotten out of this program?
It has helped me to basically learn hands-on how to just kind of how an engine works and kind of how to put it back together and take it apart.
You actually want to be a mechanic, so this is helping you towards your career. How much more ahead of things do you feel having had and been a part of this class?
It has definitely set me ahead quite a bit. I don't know if there's a amount of time, but it definitely has helped me and kind of helped push things forward.
So incredible, and such a cool program for the kids here in our area. For more information, you can go to cabledahmerkc.com, or you can follow along and check out their Facebook page.